Hey everyone, we are presenting Advanced Warning System for Improved Safety in Roadway Work Zones for the IP Hackathon. Highway construction work zones are hazardous environments characterized by a dynamic and limited workspace. The interaction between workers passing commuter vehicles and moving construction equipment occur in the highway work zones, fostering a dangerous situation that can result in injury or death. The deployment of intrusion sensing and alert technologies in these highway work zones can be very effective in mitigating these unforeseen conditions. I am Madhuri and here are my teammates Karthik, Jagrati and Shivagami. Did you know that every year there are 30,000 plus work zone crashes and 43% of these crashes resulted in fatality or injury? The monetary losses due to these accidents are huge. Every year the construction and insurance companies are incurring a liability of nearly $1.5 billion due to these fatalities. In addition, there are other losses in the form of equipment loss, motor repair charges, which projects a total economic loss of nearly $240 billion. Last but not the least, who can put a price on loss of life, right?
In order to further research our problem space, we looked at several online surveys. For instance, if you look at the chart on right, percentage of highway contractors reporting work zone crashes over time has consistently increased from 2016 to 2020, nearly doubling in this time space. The rising number of accidents, injuries, and fatalities highlight the need for better alerting systems. We are targeting the road and highway construction industry as our target customers. To illustrate the scale of the problem, there are a total of 700,000 construction industries in USA alone. The projected US highway and street construction value in 2024 is 107 billion US dollars.
At the core of our solution, we use GTIP called Advanced Warning System for Improved Safety in Roadway Work Zones. To solve the problem discussed so far, we have created an alerting system which consists of a controller proximity sensors mounted on standard passive safety barriers and a cloud-based software suite. Studies indicate LiDARs are the most effective sensors for highway work zone setting. When a sensor detects breach in the protected area, taller cones emit flashes and audible alarms to alert the intruder as well as workers, while also sending intrusion information in real time to cloud servers to alert authorities to dispatch first responders in case of fatal accidents. First responders can upload their observation of the site to cloud, which can be accessed later by authorities with the help of a real-time analytics SaaS platform. This platform will be used to track everything regarding the incident, from time and location of the accident to details of people involved, extent of injury, medical and legal cost, serving as one-stop solution for multiple proceedings.
We perform pricing and forecasting for our product offering. Our solution consists of a hardware setup and an accident reporting and analytics software subscription, the cost of which comes up to be a total of $200 per setup. Each setup has 6 hardware modules and a software subscription. Each hardware module has a LiDAR sensor, microcontroller, Wi-Fi module, siren, a set of warning lights, set of batteries, and a software package subscription. The component and assembling cost totals $200 per setup. We plan to sell it at $1,000 per setup, leaving us with a profit margin of $800 per setup. There are a total of 50,000 projects going on per year in the US alone. We estimate 5 setups needed per project, leading to a 50 million cap on production costs and 250 million in sales. Our sales projections are as follows. In 2022, we target 1,000 projects, leading to 5 million in sales. In 2023, we plan to target 5,000 projects, leading to 25 million in sales. Basing on similar growth metrics, in 2025, the sales projections come up to be 150 million.
Our market research shows that most of the existing and blooming companies focus on AI solutions for self-driving cars and on driver safety based on alert mechanism and connected cars. In spite of this, existing statistics show high fatality rate, which means there is something more that needs to be done. To bridge this gap, we propose our novel all-in-one solution focusing on construction workers. As far as competitors, we couldn't find anyone else providing end-to-end solution in this niche, thereby us becoming market creators. Our potential consumers would include construction companies as well as government departments. There are few federal grants that we can utilize, for instance, Small Business Innovation Research. Our marketing strategies would include pitching one-to-one to construction companies, leveraging existing customer safety initiatives, and also using social media to spread awareness. With all the research based on need for safety and effectiveness of our solution, we see this idea hitting the market.